Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander, how to create 2D solid. So for example, I will create a rectangle and the other I will create polygon with side 5 at this point. Now if you want to create 2D solid from this rectangle, you can click this icon 2D solid. For the first point, click in it, the second point, the third point, and then the fourth point to be automatically convert into 2D solid. For the polygons with 5 sides, you need to create by 3 points. And click again this 2 solid command. This is for the first, the second, and the third. Now you can press enter. We create again from this point. First, second, and the third, and the fourth. Press enter again to apply. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial, how to use 2D solid command. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.